Just Rebecca Schuld, live from Storm Center 2, brought to you by Mills Fleet Farm.
Rain moved through early this morning, and most spots picking up anywhere between 1/10 to 3/10 of an inch. So there is your morning rainfall. We will be getting a bit of a break before more of that rain develops once we have a period of sunny, hot, and humid conditions. So storms again expected later this afternoon and into this evening. Some of those could be strong. So let's check things out now with Pinpoint Predictor and talk about your afternoon highs. 87 in Green Bay, 90s west of the valley. Even lakeshore spots should be up around 80 because we're going to have more of a southwest wind today. So most of us getting well into the 80s. The slight risk for severe storms does cut through far southwestern portions of the viewing area in the orange color that you see there. In fact, we also have an even more dangerous setup down through portions of Iowa with a moderate risk for severe storms. We'll be talking about the potential for some heavy rain here, but especially down in that direction. Can't rule out the chance for some isolated tornadoes, damaging winds with any storms that do build, and we already have them in progress there. And also, of course, thunder and lightning. Let's take you through the rest of the day. As you can see here, predictor pretty spot on where those showers are at here, taking them back up towards the UP and clearing us out nicely by the noon hour. You can see some clouds starting to spill. This is going to be the outflow from some of the storms that are in progress right now across Iowa. So we're still looking dry here just after the noon hour, and it's again going to be very warm out there. As we continue on then into the afternoon, here's the dinner hour, and you can see some of those stronger showers and storms starting to approach western and southwestern portions of the viewing area. So again, if you're outdoors, keep a close watch on anything that does form overhead. You want to keep it indoors here as these storms pass through the valley and into Green Bay this evening. Could come again with some heavy rain and some gusty winds, possibly even some hail. That pushes out towards the lakeshore around 8:30, and then it looks like overall the night will be relatively quiet, but we can't rule out a few isolated thunder showers here into early Monday. Looks like we could also start off the day with a little sunshine, but a few more showers and storms will be firing up once again throughout your Monday, and you can see that here 6 in the morning, maybe getting into our northwestern locations, but a better chance for the rest of us as we get into the afternoon. So again, any little bit of sunshine, we get to heat things up and create a more unstable air mass will set the stage for another round of showers and storms into Monday afternoon and Monday evening. So that will continue through Monday night, and then we should dry out into Tuesday. Notice those clouds back to the west though. On the backside, I could see a little bit of wraparound cloud cover and possibly a few isolated showers. So again, a slight risk for storms that could be strong today and into your Monday, a risk for severe weather. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, just some spotty showers out there. On a national scene, you can see plenty of activity right across the heart of the nation, but we're also monitoring what could be the first tropical storm of the season. Looking pretty disorganized at the moment, and we've got some dry air feeding in, but as we get through the next, say, 4 to 5 days, especially by Wednesday, that does look to be strengthening, and the parameters will be a little bit better for tropical storm development. So a 70% chance there for seeing that develop into a tropical storm. And of course, the hurricane aircraft is set to check that out this afternoon. Again, closer to home, we'll be watching those storms back across portions of Iowa. 70 right now in Green Bay and Marinette. Everybody else in the 60s. And your forecast today here from Storm Center 2, morning rain ending, dry and warm midday storms again at night. Temperatures nice and warm in the mid to upper 80s, only falling back to around 70 tonight. Scattered storms early on. Some of those again could be strong with heavy rain. And as we get into the upcoming work week, isolated morning storms, another warm and muggy day. Storms again redeveloping late in the day. Temperatures in the mid-range 80s, breezy south-southwest winds. Beyond that, again, we've got a chance for a few isolated showers on Tuesday. Nothing too heavy and much cooler by Wednesday, and lower humidity. Still looking nice and dry and pleasant for the 4th of July. Back up around 80 then as we get into the next weekend.
It's going to be hot out. How about some ice cream today? You're an ice cream fan.
Right after the show, we're done soon.
Yeah. How about in celebration?